Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to slice through text for awesome custom effects in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 by 300 pixels in the width and height fields. This will set up your workspace for this demonstration. Go to Elements, search for Background, select your preferred image, then right-click it and set as background directly. Add your text by clicking into the text box and typing anything you want. For this example, I'll enter the word area. You can choose any words or phrases that fit your needs, and your changes will automatically appear in the preview area. Change the font by selecting your desired style. In this example, I'm choosing Strike. After selecting, your chosen font will automatically apply to the text. Duplicate the existing text by selecting it and choosing the duplicate option. Next, select the duplicated text box. Change the text color to white by opening the color settings and choosing white from the palette. This will make the new text stand out against the background layer. Select the object and move it slightly to adjust its position as needed. Once you're satisfied with the placement, right-click on the object to open the context menu. Choose the Send to Back option. This action will move your selected object behind all other elements, ensuring it doesn't cover any content in your design. Next, let's add a line element to the design. Go to the toolbar and select the Line tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your line. Now, with the line selected, look for the handles at each end. Drag these handles to adjust the length and position of the line. If you want to move the entire line, select it and drag it to the desired location. Be sure the line is placed exactly where you want it within your layout. This helps create accurate visual separation or emphasis. Close this shape by connecting the endpoints. Then, adjust the line thickness by selecting the border and increasing the stroke width in the Properties panel. Select the object you want to change. Open the Color menu, then choose white to update the object's color. To change the color, select the object you want to modify. Locate the Color or Appearance panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the color swatch to open the color picker. Choose your desired color from the available options, then confirm your selection. Now, you can see your changes applied and your original context restored. Rotate the object slightly by clicking and dragging to the desired angle. Adjust until it matches your preference. This helps ensure proper alignment and a balanced appearance in your project. Zoom in to view your content clearly. Once your content is ready, click the Share button, then select Download from the menu. Next, adjust the size option to increase the quality as needed. After setting the desired quality, click the Download button to save your content to your device in the preferred format. Now you know how to slice text in Canva. Give it a try! If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.